Welcome back to Water Cooler Wednesday with Norburn Equipment Company, a weekly spotlight of new products, features, and technologies to keep you up to date on the latest and greatest in the HVAC world. My name is Dan Russell, and this is our second episode. If you missed our first episode on Daikin Rebel Applied highly configurable package rooftop units, you can find that on our YouTube channel. In fact, if you like seeing these, you can go ahead and click subscribe. So, what's on tap for this week? Well, last week we talked about some larger equipment. We thought this week we're going to talk about something on a smaller scale, maybe something that seems inconsequential. That's right. We're going to be talking about a fart fan. Not just any fart fan, though. It's the WhisperGreen Select fan from Panasonic. But maybe you're thinking, okay, that's a fancy name, but what could be so special about a fart fan? Well, let's take a look.
Can one fan really be perfect for any application? Meet WhisperGreen Select, the game-changing, fully customizable vent fan from Panasonic. A WhisperGreen Select fan or fan light combo gives you the unique ability to preset your required airflow with the flip of a switch. We call it Pick a Flow. There are two models, one that lets you pick a CFM setting of 50, 80, or 110, and another that lets you select 110, 130, or 150. And thanks to our remarkable plug-and-play modules, a WhisperGreen Select vent fan is customizable to suit a wide array of application requirements. Choose from multi-speed with time delay, smart action motion sensor, and condensation sensor. You also get our revolutionary ultra-quiet ECM motor that incorporates intelligent SmartFlow technology, so it automatically adjusts its speed to ensure optimal CFM output, even in the case of a complicated duct run. It's also quick and easy to install, in old construction or new, thanks to our convenient single-hinged flexi-fast installation bracket. Looking for the IAQ solution that's perfect for any application? Look to WhisperGreen Select from Panasonic.
As you can see, the Whisper Select fan is really pretty hot. Just a second.
Hey Dan, why are you talking to yourself in the kitchen?
Well, I'm trying to do a video here.
Oh yeah?
For our Water Cooler Wednesday.
What's the topic?
Well, it's the Whisper Select fan from Panasonic.
Ha, go figure. I just happen to have one of those fans sitting right here.
No kidding! Well, since you're here with the fan, why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Well, as you look at the fan, one thing that would stand out immediately is all the cast injection molding. Panasonic really invested on some machinery to make all this molding tight and clean. A lot of other manufacturers would have this be metal parts that are either welded or riveted together, and they even have the backdraft damper as a molded fitting. And what that does is provide a really compact housing that's very quiet. With riveted or welded fittings, any manufacturing defects can cause rattling and sound that people don't want in their bath fans.
That's awesome. I know one of the cool features about this fan, as we've talked about, is the CFM setting. Where does that happen on this fan?
Yeah, that's actually a great feature. Contractors love this because if you have a project specified with multiple fan tags, some need 50, some need 80, etc., especially if it's a large project, that's going to have multiple fans. With the Panasonic fan, they have this adjustable setting feature here, where the Model 511 can be adjusted from 50 to 110, and the Model 115 can be adjusted from 110 to 150 CFM. So the contractor can have one bunch of 80, 90 fans, whatever the project needs, install all those fans, and set the setting to the specified CFM.
What other accessories are available with this fan?
What's neat about this fan is it has modulars similar to this one. This condensate module can be plugged into any WhisperGreen fan very simply. And now, say you have an afterthought of, hey, we want the fan to come on as humidity builds up, maybe there's a shower in the space or humidity issues. Now the fan can automatically come on with humidity, and you set the relative set point right here.
Awesome. So people that maybe have a timer or used to a timer, it turns off before their shower's done, or they forget to turn it on, this will help keep the fan going as long as it needs to.
Long showers are good to go.
Sweet. Okay. How about occupancy sensors?
Yeah. So similar to the humidity sensor, they have this occupancy module Mounts right here in the fan grill fascia, and it's another plug-and-play module. You plug that in, and now you have occupancy. And what's nice about that is, let's say you have one CFM that you want for occupied and another setback CFM for unoccupied. Well, that's adjustable here as well with the ECM motor. You can have a time limit for occupancy of say 15-20 minutes. Once the module senses the occupancy, it can go to its high CFM and then set back to the minimum CFM or turn off.
Nice. So one thing we've heard from contractors is they're really easy to install. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, contractors really like it, not only because it's compact, it can take a little bit of abuse at the job sites without things rattling loose and becoming loud. You can see the width there, very compact, which helps on multi-level buildings. And additionally, instead of a contractor having to get their wood frame block out just right for the width of the fan, Panasonic has this nifty little adjustable frame. So they take the existing truss width, adjust it to whatever it needs, mount this, lay the fan in there, and they're up and running.
Very cool. So with a fan like this, Mike, that has so many features, seems customizable or configurable, I feel like it'd be really expensive.
Yeah, you'd think, but Panasonic was really wise initially when they made the investments in the cast molding and the adjustability and customizability of the fan. Now their manufacturing costs are much lower. So we've actually had some projects where maybe a lower entry-level cost fan was specified, and we won with what we consider to be a premium fan. So it's a very affordable fan as well.
Excellent. So as you can see, the WhisperGreen Select fan from Panasonic is a really great solution for all kinds of projects. And whether you're a contractor, engineer, architect, or just a homeowner looking to replace your fan to get one quieter that's easier to install, this fan could be a top-level choice for you. So we thank you for joining us today. Think about the Panasonic fan when you're looking for a fan next time, and we'll see you next week.